colorblind to the spectrum of style I select from. Anyone I choose to give you a bit of direction. Get a clue or get ridiculed when I spit a few dollar point verbs that'll riddle you pitiful comes with chunks. Rip from your body and the party still junkin' while I'm saying something. One thing you better know is hieroglyphics run things. Even when we unheard, even when we unseen, be aware, we are there. Prepared to counteract the whack fake niggas be scared after dark and fall apart when the disaster start. I blast the spark cause I mastered the art, and this is a ritual in which you will enjoy. Now every man and woman, girl and boy, grab a hand and try to understand my commandments. I rock the mic harder than pillars of granite, and it don't stop increasing until your heartbeat start to ceasing. Let's start the season. The reasons that we're here become clear when I step to the podium with my full metal gear. Pep's an exception to any rule, and you'll get treated like a stepson. Step up and get some phenomenal action, abominable passion. You don't want a fraction of friction, fat not fiction. If it can't stand the heat, then get out the kitchen. If not, then step up and get some. Melodies I swing hit harder than felonies committed to get a nigga melon seeds all over the pavement. Follow the brave man came to free from your mental enslavement. Incidentally, the penalty is when I commits to killing them seeds for frontin' like they not feeling the heat. We dealing them, trying to make a million multiply, moving into the next millennium. Domino tracks, phenomenal activity, and I'm on a whole nother plane that's giving me the lane to express my views, caress my jewels, and stretch my limbs right before I clutch my tool and amplify what you can't defy, and still get the skrilla whether it's damn and dry. I like it like that, and if you do too, then brace yourselves, cause what we gon' do is phenomenal action, abominable passion. You don't want a fraction of friction, fat not fiction. Can't stand the heat, then get out the kitchen. If not, then step up and get some phenomenal action, abominable passion. You don't want a fraction of friction, fat not fiction. Can't stand the heat, then get out the kitchen. If not, then step up and get some swift lyricism while I'm talking on a split. In this schism I give them with the rhythm of drip. Everything is everything, and I am significant, gifted with the mic in my hand. Come on and get with it. Love is terrific. Pep is dynamite with every rhyme I write. Run with the leopards and swim with the shark. Don't stand so close, you'll get singed by the spark. From these scalding syllables, ruining the cauldron, hotter than slugs busted to fill 'em with holes. It goes like this, you might miss my anecdotes when the planet goes topsy-turvy. I seek to rock these spots superbly. You heard me? Nobody that I see could possibly serve me. I'm into maximum thrust adjustments and awesome blossoming. That's if you want some phenomenal action, abominable passion. You don't wanna